Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how you can share a dynamic video campaign through Reply. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already standing here on my campaign with everything filled out. But if you do not know how to do this, no worries, because I'll leave a link right below and you'll see how you can actually start this from scratch from the very beginning. Okay, but because everything has been set on my end, what I'll do is click on Share Campaign here, okay, and start typing so I can find Reply. There we go. So you'll notice that you'll have two links, two options, and we'll start with the first one, of course. So we'll click here, and you'll notice that that will actually copy the code snippet into our clipboard. Okay, so we can now jump into Reply. So what you need to do is go ahead and tap on Sequences and then Templates, start a new template. Okay, and now that we're here, of course, you'll need to take a time in order to build the email correctly. And if you haven't actually watched the previous video where Bethany explains how you can make use of variables, go ahead and do it. It is actually very important. Okay, so we'll actually make use of our own variables, but within dynamic videos, and not the ones that are actually applied here to the email itself. Okay, so because that's actually ready, we're now ready for the next step. We can now go ahead and find this tool, this option here at the bottom that says Insert Edit Image. So we can just simply go Command V or Control V so that we can paste here the code that we had copied before. Click OK, and we'll have this image coming up right away. The first thing you'll notice, of course, is that you're actually watching at the video, at the main video, and that it doesn't have a background. But that's nothing, there's nothing to worry here because this is actually part of the process, and you won't be able to see anything until the video is actually being sent and it's actually being captured by the recipient. Okay, so because everything here is set, we'll now move back to dynamic videos, make another click here, and copy the other link, which is the reply video URL. Okay, so back to reply, we just need to select by making a single click or dragging and dropping. Okay, so we can make a single click here and then click on Insert Edit Link, and we can go again Command V or Control V, and that's actually all that we need to do. Take your time, of course, and please to make a good, nice looking email. Okay, but once you're ready, just click on Save, and that way we can actually save the template. I haven't actually used a subject here, which I'll do. So I'll simply put here testing 101. Okay, so that being said, let me save it one more time. That being said, let me actually click away here. And of course, as I said before, the background is dynamic, and whenever you click on any of these, you'll notice that the background comes up there, and you'll have the option to see which or what is the background that each of your prospects will get. Now, this is something very important. Okay, so once you're ready with a template, what you do is, of course, go ahead and start here a sequence. And part of the sequence, one of the steps of the sequence is, of course, to upload a CSV file. And this is, again, very important. We do suggest to either use the same CSV file, or actually even better, once you're done with processing all your prospects here, actually download the CSV file from here. Why am I actually saying this is because, as you can read here at the bottom, it says that prospects with errors will not be included in this export. So that way you can actually avoid anyone who might have had an issue with a URL, with the background URL. So that way you can actually make or do a clean campaign. Okay, so that's what we recommend. Use this one right here. Okay, so once you do that, of course, you'll just proceed with your sequence of steps, and finally you'll be able to send out that campaign. Okay, so we can actually, and just for you to watch this, because otherwise it will take too long for us to wait until the campaign is actually released and until I actually get an email. So let me go ahead and click on preview and show you that this is actually just working inside of here of reply, and you can see the background coming up right away, which is basically what we see here. Okay, so each of the prospects here will, of course, see the correct background. So that's basically all. It is actually as simple as that. Please do let me know if you have any questions. Dan here from Tech Support. Have a great day.